I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a circle hookah. It's a fun and creative project using everyday items. We'll guide you through each step, from gathering your materials to enjoying your custom creation. You'll see how simple it is to transform common household objects into a fully functional hookah, perfect for a unique experience. Let's get started on this exciting DIY journey. To begin, collect your essential materials. A 2-liter cold drink bottle or a sturdy glass jar works perfectly as your circular base. For the bowl, select a large, round fruit such as an orange or apple. You'll also need a fish tank hose about 1 to 1.5 meters long, a rubber stopper with a hole, a sharp knife, strong glue, aluminum foil, and of course, your favorite shisha tobacco and charcoal. Now let's construct the core. First, make 2 holes in your bottle cap, one for the stem and another for the hose. Insert a pipe, like a stick from a broken umbrella, through the cap and a rubber stopper. Secure this with strong glue to ensure an airtight seal. Fill your bottle base with cold water, ensuring the pipe extends 1 to 1.5 inches below the water's surface for proper filtration. For the bowl, cut off the top quarter of your fruit and carefully hollow out the center, leaving about 2 millimeters of space at the top. Poke a small hole through the bottom of the fruit to connect with the stem. Pack your shisha loosely into this fruit bowl. Cover it tightly with heavy-duty aluminum foil, then poke 15 to 20 small, evenly spaced holes. Finally, light your coals and place them on the foil to enjoy your homemade circle hookah.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.